What is the area in square centimeters of a rectangle with a length of 34 centimeter and a width of 29 centimeter? Alright, so we have a rectangle here. The length of this rectangle is 34 centimeter and the width of this rectangle is 29 centimeters. So the area of this rectangle is equal to 34 multiplication of 29. So our area of this rectangle is 986. Alright, so let's continue. A rectangle has a length of 30 and the width of 6. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? Alright, here we have a rectangle which length is 13 and the width is 6. So the perimeter of this rectangle is equals to 2 multiplication 13 plus 2 multiplication 6. So this is 26 and this is 12, which is equals to 38. So C is our right answer. Now let's continue. The triangle shown has a perimeter of 22 units. If x is equals to 9 units and y is equals to 7 units, what is the value of z units? Alright, so here we have a triangle in which the perimeter is 22 units and the perimeter is equals to x plus y plus z is equals to 22. Now we are given that x is equals to 9 and y is equals to 7. So x is equals to 9 and y is equals to 7. So this is equals to 9 plus 7 plus z is equals to 22. So this is 16 plus z is equals to 22. So z is equals to 22 minus 16, which is equals to 6. So A is our right answer. Let's continue. What is the area in square centimeters of a rectangle with a length of 36 centimeter and a width of 34 centimeter? So here we have a rectangle which length is 36 and the width is 34. So what is the area of this rectangle? So the area would be 36 multiplication of 34. Now let's using our calculator. So D is our right answer, which is equals to 1224. Next, the area of a rectangle is 630 square inches. The length of the rectangle is 70 inches. What is the width in inches of this rectangle? So here we have another rectangle. The area of this rectangle is 630. The one side of the rectangle is 70. What is the other side? So we know that, let's assume that the other side is x. So 70 into x is equals to 630. So x would be 630 over 70, which is equals to 9. So the width of this rectangle is 9. A is our right answer. Let's continue. What is the area of rectangle with a length of 70 centimeter and a width of 7 centimeter? So here we have a rectangle which length is 70 centimeter and the width is 7 centimeter. The area of this rectangle is equals to length into breadth, so which is equals to 70 into 7. Now this is equals to 9 and 1. So 119 is our answer. So C is our right answer. Continuing. Each side of square has a length of 45. What is the perimeter of the square? So here we have a square and each side of the square is 45. So this is 45, this is 45, this is 45, and this also be 45. So the perimeter of the square is 4 into side. So the perimeter would be 4 into 45. So this is equal to 180. So this is the SPR question. So this is 180. Next, what is the area of rectangle with a length of 4 centimeter and a width of 2 centimeters? Alright, so here we have a rectangle in which the length is 4 centimeter and the width is 2 centimeter. So the area would be 4 into 2, which is equals to 8 centimeter square. Alright, so B is our right answer. Next, a rectangle has a length of 64 inches and a width of 32 inches. What is the area in square inches of the rectangle? Alright, so here we have a rectangle which the length is 64 inches and the width is 32 inches. The area of this rectangle is equals to 64 multiplication of 32. Now let's use our calculator. So the area of the rectangle is 64 multiplication 32, so this would be equals to 2048. Alright, so this would be equals to 2048, so this is our right answer. Next, alright, here we have a figure. The figure shows the lengths in centimeter of the edges of a right rectangular prism. The volume V of a right rectangular prism is LWH, where L is the length of the prism, W is the width of the prism, and H is the height of the prism. What is the volume in cubic centimeter of the prism? Alright, so here we have a cuboid prism, so which the length is equals to, you can assume that length is equals to 6, breadth is equals to 2, and the height is equals to 3. The volume of this cuboid prism is equals to LWH as given, and as also we know, then the volume is equals to 6 multiplication 2 multiplication 3, and this would be in centimeter cube, right? So this is equals to 36 centimeter cube. Alright, so the volume is equals to 36 centimeter cube. This is A. So A is our right answer. Now let's continue. What is the perimeter in inches of a rectangle with a length of 4 inches and a width of 9 inches? Alright, so here we have a rectangle. The length of this rectangle is 4, so this is also 4. And the width of this rectangle is 9. This is also 9. You can assume this 9 and this 4. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 2 into 4 plus 2 into 9. So this is equals to 8 plus this is 18. So this would be 26. So D is our right answer. Alright guys, so that's all. If you found this video valuable, then please like and share. Alright guys, so this is all. If you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button and share this video to the other students. Thank you. Thanks for watching.